Have you ever noticed that negative thoughts do not just feel like thoughts? They feel personal. They feel true. They feel attached to who you are. Maybe it sounds like, I am not good enough. I always mess this up. Something is going to go wrong. Or even what's wrong with me. And even when you logically know that it is not completely accurate, it still feels real. Here's why. Your brain builds thought patterns the same way it builds habits. Repetition creates wiring in your neurology. And if that thought gets repeated, the stressful life, the stressful event, and is tied to an emotion, your brain stores it as important. And over time, that thought stopped being something that you think, and it became something your brain automatically runs. That is why telling yourself to think positive isn't enough. You cannot override the subconscious pattern with surface level logic, but you can retrain it. I had a client who came in and after one session told me something very powerful. She said, the negative thoughts that I had been feeling now feel disconnected. They don't feel attached to me. And that is the shift, or sometimes they even disappear. And when we work with hypnosis, we are not arguing with the thought, we are updating the pattern beneath it. The subconscious mind learns to separate identity from old emotional loops, and instead of automatically attaching to criticism or fear, the brain learns to observe it without absorbing it. You are not your thoughts. You are the awareness that is directing them, and you get to choose them. And when the subconscious mind updates that pattern, the noise of the mind quiets down. And when the subconscious mind updates, the mental noise gets quieter. Not because you forced it, but because the brain no longer sees it as necessary. And if you feel like the negative thoughts running in the background of your life, and you feel tired about carrying them, it may be time to work on the root of it. I invite you to book a free consult to learn more about retraining the underlying emotional pattern and the habit so that you can be in charge of your thoughts. You deserve to have a mind that supports you, that uplifts you, that even inspires you. Book a session and let's teach your brain a new pattern.